Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Kamlesh and I am a tutor. You are in Study Studio is a convenient way of learn English. Today we're going to start study about tenses. Tenses. There are three types of tenses. Number one, past, present, future. Past means जो बीत चुका है, work done in past. So first of all, subject, simple past plus object. Subject means I. Simple past, there always we have to put second verb form and plus object. I played football. She is the subject. Cook is the first form. Ed when we put after that, there will be a third form. Food. So means she cooked food. So these were the simple sentences. Now the next one it is negative sentence. Negative sentence. Subject I, always we have to do right there, did not. I did not. Verb first form. First form. After that plus object. I did not play football. She did not cook food. First form. Food is the object. Next sentences, interrogative sentences. Sentences. Here, subject I. Oh, first of all, we have to start the sentence with did. In negative sentences, did not, that did we have to put in first. Then subject, then object. Did she or she play first form, verb first form, plus object. Did she play football? After that, interrogative mark. Next, one more sentence I am going to give you. Did plus I cook, verb first form, food. Did I cook food? Interrogative marks. So always we have to, when we have to make interrogative sentences, we have to put the first verb form. First verb form like play, verb second form played. Thank you. If you are facing any type of confusion or any doubts, then write in comments. I will discuss in my next video. So subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.